Oh, here it comes. Oh, it's the bubbles. Say we're in the car wash. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's on your side. Look. Wow. Do you see the bubbles? What color are they?
White.
Are they white? Yeah. Wow. What's going on now? More bubbles! Oh my goodness. More bubbles. Wow.
Come.
There it is. It's on your side. Bubbles.
Car.
It's on the car. Yep. Car wash. Oh, I think it's going to rinse it off now.
What?
It's going to rinse it off.
What?
Yeah, it's going to rinse it. Oh, here comes the water. Oh. Oh, it's rinsing off the bubbles.
What?
Yeah. Water. Yeah, it's the water. Bubbles. Oh, it's on your side. Water. Can you feel it? No, it's on the outside. Yeah, it's outside. We have to stay in here nice and dry. Yeah.
Baby.
There's baby, yep. Yeah. Is she dry? More water.
Done.
Is it all done?
Yeah.
Not quite. Still washing.
More.
More. That's right. Wow. Oh, it's on your side. Yeah, wow. Isn't that cool? Oh, what's that?